everybody, welcome to Selena's Spring Bucket List with 31 Gifts. I wanted to show you really quickly how to ensure that you are actually seeing all of the awesome things that we're going to be doing this week. If you are on your laptop, if you look under the picture that says Spring Bucket List, you'll see a little tab that says Notifications. I have clicked all posts, but I bet if you looked on yours, it's going to say highlights because that's what it falls to every time you join a group. So if you don't want to miss any of the fun or any of the possible prizes, you want to make sure that you click all posts, and that way you can engage and make this an awesome party for Selena. This is her first Facebook party ever, and so we want to make sure that it's good. So I just wanted to show that to you. If you're on your phone, up in the top on your screen, kind of up at the top of where, if you're in the group, kind of up here where Facebook would be on your phone, there's a little shield with a star. And if you click that and you go to group settings, one of the choices is notifications, and you can change it that way too. But anyway, I look forward to getting to know everybody this week. Have an awesome Wednesday night. Thanks, everybody.